I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to use code Chevy in the item shop before purchasing any cosmetic items.
Why boys them on high ground and feel like them can snipe me. Anyways, yo, Vision Chevy here back with a new video, and in today's video, yo, we have something special. We have something very special. Now remember, we did trash talkers in my comments episode 1. This today is episode 2. Now in episode 2, it's just the same concept. Basically, I just chose some people, random people from my comments, because I get so much hate and comments like, you're trash, you're bad, 1v1 now, blah, blah, blah. So I basically just choose someone, and when I have time, I choose them, I 1v1 them, they send me a friend, because I add them, we run it up. No, this is like no toxic shit. Like, if we win, whoever wins, GG, you know what I'm saying? If you want to play duos, sometimes we could play duos. But if you're just a straight hater, bro, you would not gonna play. You know what I'm saying? But if you just want to 1v1 and you're still talking trash, we can make a video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, in this video, 1v1 Unruly Bot. He said basically I was not the best console player in Jamaica, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, yo, let's run it up. So let me know what you think in the comments about this video. Also, if you want to see a desk setup, like what I use, everything specifically PC, stuff like that, get this video to like 60 likes, so let me know that you guys want to see it. And also, if you use controller and you use Control Freaks, I'm sponsored by Control Freaks, so just use my code SHEVI7 at checkout and you'll get a huge discount off your next purchase. And don't forget to use code Chevy in the Fortnite item shop, y'all, SHEVI. And before I go, I just want to say thanks for 1,000 subs. And shout out to everybody that's grinded for Vision. If you want to grind for Vision, hashtag VisionRC on your videos, or Vision Gaming RC on your videos, so we'll check them out and then we'll choose the best. So yeah, at the end of the video as well, I'll show you a clip that you need to submit if you're grinding for Vision. This is a requirement. Just a simple edit course, nothing too serious, because we know you're on console, so it might be hard to edit sometimes. But yeah, spam, yeah, drop the likes, blah blah, boom, bam, bang, out.
Wait, your phase through? I thought in wall blocked you. Could you relax? I'm so... Ooh. Wait, what?
This gun is so bad. 2020.
One phase through in the
Oh, Mark. Okay. Can't with it. Feel like 3 or 5 more.
Why is he not healing my floor? Yeah.
All that there.
Yo.
Can't. No.
She like it, I'm swiping, ice biting, she diking, I had to come right back like double back and rerun.